The Vauxhall Connect E Remote facility allows you to remotely manage both vehicle charging and preset the cabin temperature directly from the My Vauxhall app. Before you start the activation of the service, make sure that the My Vauxhall app is installed on your smartphone and the E Remote service is activated in the Vauxhall Connect store. It's now a three-step process to activate the services. First, validate your phone number in the app. Enter your phone number and then the verification code you receive via SMS. Now your phone number is certified. The second step is to register your smartphone. Just tap to receive a new SMS with a code. Enter the code and set your personal 4-digit PIN code and confirm. Your phone number and smartphone are now linked to your account. The third and last step is to link your vehicle. Sit in your vehicle and have the key and your smartphone with you. Make sure you have a good, stable internet connection for both the phone and the vehicle's infotainment system, as this is necessary to complete the activation process. Activate Bluetooth on your phone and log in to your My Vauxhall account via the app. Once the infotainment system is booted up, pair your mobile device via Bluetooth. Now turn on the ignition and tap Login. Your vehicle is now successfully linked to your account. This triggers the first download of services to your vehicle. To complete the download, please start your Vauxhall twice more and let it run for approximately 10 minutes each time. This can be part of a normal driving routine. The E Remote service is now ready for use. You can now manage the vehicle charging and preset the cabin temperature of your Vauxhall remotely. To set charging, select the charging option. You can either program a start time for the battery charging, or you can directly start or stop the charging. Return to the main menu. Select Climate to operate the functions for presetting the cabin temperature.